Hi guys, if your debit or your credit card chip suddenly stops working at the stores or ATMs, the issue is usually caused by the dirt, wear or internal chip damage. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix it step by step. So first of all, you need to take the card and inspect the gold chip area closely. So the gold chip area is going to look something like this. Now over here, if the chip looks dirty or faded, you just have to gently clean it using a microfiber cloth or a soft dry tissue. Do not use water or harsh chemicals because moisture can damage the chip contacts internally. Now a lot of chip read the failures happens simply because the oils or the dust block the proper terminal contact. After doing so, you can try using the card at another payment terminal and then you can insert it slowly and firmly. Sometimes the older payment machines struggle to read the worn chips unless the card sits correctly inside the reader. So if the contactless payments still won't work, the chip insert fails everywhere. So the chip itself is likely the damage here. After doing so, you need to also inspect the card for the bends or cracks or peeling layers or any kind of scratches. Even small internal damage can break the communication between the chip and the payment terminal. So you can try these easy things and see if it is now working properly. Thank you.